Hi everyone, this is Rich Formidoni from Korg USA, and it is Happy Gadget Day here in the Korg studio. We've been playing with our ER1 iElectribe-Rs, very popular dance music production tools. We've got the Mark I, the Mark II, and we just picked up one of these fancy new iPads. And that's very exciting for us because installed on that iPad is a Korg iElectribe. This is the new iElectribe. It's a recreation of some of Korg's famous iElectribe technology inside the iPad. So let's scroll through a couple of preset sounds here and just press play. You can hear it's got a really cool old school flavor with lots of analog drums. That's because there are actually 4 different analog synthesis parts. So you can create a kick drum, create a snare drum, or whatever kind of sound you want. And in addition to that, there's some sampled hi-hats, cymbal sounds and sound effects, and clap snares. So you can scroll through the different beats and hear how each one might have different sound. So lots of different stuff you can do, and it's very easy to go in and create your own beat. So let's scroll up to one of these empty pattern locations, select a kick drum, and we can see that it's already on 1, 5, 9, and 13. And you can see it goes across to 16 for 16 different beats. Let's add a snare, and then let's add an open hi-hat. Now, I can keep programming the beat like this, or I can record it live. So with the closed hi-hat, I'll press record and play, and then I'll play it using that closed hi-hat button. So now we've got a very basic techno beat going. Now, the very cool thing is there are lots of effects built in that the original iElectribe didn't have. So I can select something like a decimator, for example, and take it down to a real lo-fi grunge. And while I'm doing that, I can modify the pitch of the different parts that I'm using, add some amplifier modulation, and I can even record knob movements. So what I'm going to do here is record a change to the pitch of the snare drum that I'm using. So now when I stop it and play it back, you'll see the knob moving. So there's lots of cool ways to create rhythms here. You might notice that there is a picture of 2 tubes on top of the iElectribe-R. That's because this features our virtual valve force processing, and you can control it with that tube gain knob right there. So what that's going to do is add an analog sounding warmth to your beat. So let's check that out. So you can see the tubes warming up a little bit, and you can hear the sound getting a little warmer and a little bit grittier, just like it would with real tubes. Once you're finished with a pattern, you can save it and call up different patterns using the browser. So you can scroll through, it's very finger-friendly here, and you can see that we've given you lots and lots of different beats to work with, and in addition to that, there are templates. So you can call up one of these cool templates, and it gives you a very, very basic beat, and from there you can customize it even further. So if you need a little starting point, the templates are great. You can also customize the iElectribe. So if I go to the appearance page here, choose a background image, and I'll choose get some cowboy action going on there. So now we have an image there. You can take it from whatever images are stored on the iPad, and we'll initialize it back to its normal setting here. And now you can also customize the color. So if you want it to be slightly less red, you can do that. Remove some of the greens, some of the blues, and if you're truly hardcore, you can lower the alpha all the way and take out the text. So that's a quick introduction to the iElectribe-R. So you can head on over to the App Store, download it, and start making some beats. Thanks for watching.